Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you like how to change the Python version and how we uninstall any Python version and we have to fresh install any new Python version. So let's get started. First, uninstall the older Python version. Then we have to open the control panel. Then just click on the uninstall a program. Okay, we have to select any Python version which is already installed. So just click on it and then right click and then click on the uninstall. So first you have to uninstall the previous version like Python 3.8.10 and we have to install the new version of Python. So let them uninstall. We have to open the browser and just write Python space download. Okay, then hit enter. Click on the first link, download Python. So if you have any Windows laptop, Mac laptop or Android, then you can select accordingly. So I'm just selecting the Windows laptop. If you want to download the latest version, so it is showing Python 3.14.2. So if you just click on that particular version, it will download the particular version here. So it's downloaded Python 3.14.2. Just click on show in folder. So Python version, the latest version is downloaded. Let's change any different version. Let's click. Now click on the Windows. So if you have to download the different version, then just click on the three dots and then click on find. Just write Python, write 3.10.11. Okay. And you have to select the Windows installer 64-bit. And if you have 34-bit Windows, just click on the Windows installer 32-bit. Okay, I'm just selecting the Python installer 64-bit. You can check that your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit. So just right click on the this PC and then click on properties. It will show your system is 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Okay, so I'm just checking the system type. So let's close it. Now I'm selecting the 64-bit. Just click on that particular version. Now it is downloading. Let me check that Python previous version is uninstalled. Uninstall was successful. Thank you for using the Python 3.8.10 for 64-bit. Let's click on the close button. Now just click on that particular Python 3.10.11. I'm just click on that particular version which is already there in the download folder. Let's open downloads. Now you can see Python 3.10.11 is already downloaded. Let's open the particular Python version. Double click on it. Click on that particular checkbox, add python.exe to path. Then click on the install now. It is installing. It will take a bit time. Mhm. Setup was successful. Just click on the close button. Now let's check that Python is installed or not. So just right click here, then open in terminal and then write Python and hit enter. So it will show that Python 3.10.11 is successfully downloaded. Let's check the environment variable. Click on the Windows key and then write environment variable. Okay, just click on the edit the system environment variable. Just click on that particular. Double click on the path. So you can see the Python 3.10 is already added in the environment variables. Okay. If you want to change the location, just click on that and then click on the edit. So you can change the location as well. Let's click on cancel, cancel and cancel. if you want to install any library, so just click anywhere and then click on open in terminal and then write pip install below. Okay, so it will install that particular library. So it is around 7.0 MB. Now it's downloaded. If you want to download any other library, so just write pip install keras, then hit enter. So it is downloading the keras library. Like that, you can install any of the library. You can also check the versions, which version you have downloaded. So just write pip show keras, then hit enter. So it will show the version as well, 3.12.0. Name keras, summary multi backend keras, the author email, license, and the location. This will be the location of the Python which you have downloaded. So just copy that location and paste in a file explorer. So just paste the location here and then hit enter. So you can see the Python 3.10 is successfully downloaded, and this all are the folders, and this will be the script folder. Okay, let's go back. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project related to computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.